Rat eradication mission. Stakeholders in St. James set traps for Labor Day. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, mission accomplished. DPP weighs in on guilty verdict in Mario Dean case. And police launch search for suspect in school shooting in St. James. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.